Most Black Americans grew up eating spaghetti. Why? We're not Italian. Well, after the Civil War, formerly enslaved people started migrating out of the South to escape racial persecution, and so they left a lot of jobs available. At the same time, a fair amount of Italian immigrants were relocating to the U.S. to escape extreme poverty in their country, and they settled in the Mississippi Delta to take those open jobs. Naturally, they brought spaghetti and other pasta dishes with them, which Black Southerners grew to love and enjoy making. At the time, weekly fish fries were popular communal events in the South. So spaghetti, which was easy to prepare in large quantities with affordable ingredients, was often consumed as a side dish at the fish fry. And that's the birth of spaghetti and fried fish, arguably the most controversial soul food combination. During the Great Migration in the early 1900s, more than 6 million Black people fled the South in search of safer places to live, and they took their favorite foods, like spaghetti, with them. But as they moved, they started eating and preparing these foods in different ways based on the ingredients available to them and the cooking traditions of their new hometowns. Some people added sugar, especially if the tomatoes where they lived were more bitter. Some people added hot sauce. Some people baked the entire dish. Others continued to eat it alongside fried fish. But no matter how you make or eat your spaghetti, there is no doubt it has become a unique part of Black American households and traditions.